So many people are trying to get those big commissions in affiliate marketing, but maybe you don't need to sell high ticket products to get high ticket commissions. There's a way you can make over $1,000 in one sale by selling only $2 products. I'm going to share it with you in this video. Hi, my name is Fran, and this video is going to be all about how you can get big commissions by selling low ticket products. You don't have to pay thousands of dollars for ads, you don't have to make any phone calls, and you don't have to sell anything. There's only one way you can do this is by leveraging the power of sales funnels. And you don't have even to build your own sales funnel. No, you have to find the best sales funnels in the market and promote them. So I'm going to share with you one product, one company that you can promote with a very low ticket product, a $2 product that you can, and how you can make high ticket commissions, over $1,000 commissions with this by promoting this low ticket product for $2. So all you have to do is get your referral through the door with a $2 product, such as a book, for example. And these guys are going to sell the high ticket products for you and pay you the commissions for those products as well. They have their own sales representatives that will grab the phone and call the clients if needed, and they will do all the work for you, and you can get those commissions. So who am I talking about? I'm talking about Legendary Marketer. You've probably heard of Legendary Marketer before. I had, but I had ignored them for a long time. I heard so many affiliate marketers talk about Legendary Marketer, people that I trusted, and I never looked at it. It was very recently that Spencer Mecham, one of my favorite affiliate marketers, spoke about Legendary Marketer in one of his videos. So that was all I needed to get in. Spencer is one of the affiliate marketers I trust the most. The guy is crazy successful, and I've learned so much from him over the years with so much free content. So when Spencer's referenced Legendary Marketer, I immediately clicked his affiliate link and went to see what he was talking about. I went into a funnel where they sold me an affiliate marketing ebook. I bought the book for $2 and I went through the funnel. I didn't buy any of the upsells. That was all I bought. And I got offered a 15-day training challenge. Once I watched the first lesson of the challenge, I was shocked. I mean, Dave Sharp, the CEO of Legendary Marketer, he delivers so much value with that first video. Over the years, I've learned so much about digital marketing and affiliate marketing, but in one video, Dave managed to compile a whole lot of information that I thought to myself, how can a person starting out comprehend all of this? But then I understood. And this challenge is given for free once you buy the book. Like I told you, I didn't buy any of the upsells in the funnel. So how can you leverage this? Just give me a second. In the challenge, you get delivered in the first video a bunch of very important information. Dave talks about sales funnels and how you can leverage sales funnels for affiliate marketing. What are your high income skills? And throughout the challenge, he talks about them and he teaches a lot about them. But when I finished that first lesson, I grabbed the book and I devoured it. There are no wasted words in that book. It's 90 pages of pure value, just like the challenge, especially like that first lesson in the challenge. So when I read the book, I understood, okay, a person who is really serious about being successful with affiliate marketing, even if he doesn't know anything, then he will be very lucky to find this funnel, to find this book and this challenge for free. The book will cement all the information that you get from the first lesson and the lessons to come. So how can you use this? How can you use Legendary Marketer to make those high ticket sales? All right, so let me show you a bit of how the challenge looks like. Once you buy that book for $2, you'll be given access to this dashboard. And this is your Legendary Marketer dashboard. You get the challenge with it, and this is the challenge, the 15 days. Most of these days are locked. You have to unlock them as you go, and then after day 5, they need to be unlocked for you. You have the video, as I told you, here you go, it's 50 minutes, the first video, which Dave literally hoses you with information. All right, with this challenge, you're also given a free business call with a business advisor from a legendary marketer. Yes, this business advisor is there to sell you the high ticket products, not only to you, but to your referrals as well. The one thing I loved about this is I had two calls with this business advisor, and it was amazing. I didn't feel any pressure to buy anything. I didn't buy their high ticket product, their high ticket course yet. I do want to do it, but I haven't done it yet. So I had a look at all the trainings they offer, but I still have training to go through in only by being an affiliate of Legendary Marketer. So once I go through this, I might have a look at the business blueprint. I think it's what they offer in the throughout the challenge with an incredible discount. So how can you leverage a legendary marketer to make high ticket sales without even having to do high ticket promotions? So what can you do? Well, I just told you my story. That's what you can do. You can become a legendary marketer affiliate and promote their low ticket funnels. The book, the $2 book, for example, is my favorite funnel because I went through it and I felt I went through it as a client, so I love to promote it because the experience I had from it was amazing. So let me show you a bit. If you want to apply to be an affiliate, just find the button that says affiliates over here in the dashboard, and you will find an application over there. I'm already an affiliate. It takes a while for them to approve you. For me, it took 2 weeks to get approved, and I highly advise you to at least finish the challenge, the 15-day challenge, which will help with the approval process. They don't approve everybody, so make sure that you just finish the challenge. At least if you have the challenge done, it's one more point in your favor to get approved for the affiliate program. Alright, so let me show you how the affiliate dashboard looks. There's training here, there's a lot of stuff. Alright, so once you go to the affiliate dashboard, you have funnels here. So there's 5 funnels you can promote here. The first one is the Insider's Guide ebook. It's the one my favorite and the one I talked about. And I'm going to show you here how this looks like. There is an initial video telling you about this funnel. There are affiliate links, and with the affiliate links, you can send your referral to whatever part of that funnel you want. So you can send your referral to one of the lead capture pages. First one is very simple, just a headline and introduce your email to find out more. The second one is a whole letter from Dave Sharp telling you about the book, and then you can send them to the sales page, or you can send them directly to the checkout page if you did the whole sales process yourself. The best thing about this is if you're a beginner, if you're just starting out, they will handle all the back-end sales process for you. If you capture the email address, you don't even have to send the autoresponders because they will send it for you. As you can see here, you can tick or untick this. I want Legendary to do the follow-up for me. So once they capture the email address, you don't even need to do it yourself. They capture your referral's email address and they will give you the email address. I'm not going to show you here, but you can just go here to leads and members, where you can just download the email addresses of your leads and enter them into your autoresponder. Otherwise, you can always grab their swipe files, which they have them here, copy them, input them into your autoresponder, and send that follow-up yourself and tell them that you don't want them to do the follow-up. Anyway, what we are looking here is to sell these low ticket products. Maybe people will buy the upsells in the funnel. They are good upsells. I didn't buy them because I didn't need them, which makes it in the hundreds of dollars of commissions. And then when they buy the high ticket products, which are trainings, but like packs of amazing trainings that people are crazy with it, if you can join the Legendary Marketer Facebook group, and you'll see how many people are buying this and how happy they are with these Legendary Marketer trainings. So anyway, this is how you can leverage a Legendary Marketer. This is just the first funnel. You have another funnel here, Business Challenge. You have the other one, Business Challenge Back, Copywriter's Playbook, and 15-second free leads, which is about TikTok. It's a TikTok training that they've been having great success with TikTok. If you don't even want to do YouTube videos and you maybe can leverage TikTok, which is now like booming. Like most people managed to take advantage of YouTube years ago. Now TikTok is the place to be for beginners if you just want some rapid success. So that's it. All you have to do is sell this little ebook for $2 and let Legendary Marketer do the rest. I mean, these guys are amazing at what they do. Dave Sharp is an amazing guy. He delivers a lot of value before you even pay for it. And once I buy that big training from Legendary Marketer, I'll get back to you and I'll let you know what I saw, what I learned from there. Have a look at Legendary Marketer. Find the link in the description below to this $2 book, and absolutely, there's no doubt this book is worth much more than $2. Go through the challenge. You have nothing to lose besides $2 if you want, and apply to become an affiliate with them. And all you have to do is promote this $2 book and wait for them to give you $1,000 commissions, because that's what they're delivering here to their affiliates. Alright, if there's anything else you'd like to know about Legendary Marketer, just leave me a comment below and I'll make sure to answer. If you think this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you can receive notifications of more videos like this, and to keep learning how to turn your content into a passive income machine. For now, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.